Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve grinding geek. So in this question, there is a story that Geeks for Geeks has launched an offer so that if you completed 90% of the course, schedule within 90 days, you will receive a 90% refund of that course money. So there's a person geek who is fascinated by the offer, and he has and there are a number of courses, and he has this total amount of money with himself. Okay, with themselves. Okay. Now there are courses which will get loaded each on every day. Okay, each every day, and this is the cost for all such courses successively. Okay, and now we have to return how much courses this geek will able to solve, given that geek has a plan that he will complete the course on the same day itself, so that he receive the 90% of the course amount. So look at example one. There are two courses, and total amount of money geek has is 10 unit. Okay, now the cost of all the courses is given 10 and 9. So cost of first course is 10 unit. Okay, so since he has 10 amount of money, 10 unit of money, he'll be able to purchase this course on day one itself. Cool. By the end of the day one, he will be able to finish 90% of the course and will get refunded by 90% of this course amount, which is 9 out of 10. And next day, the cost of course is also 9. So he'll be able to purchase that also. And hence, since he was able to purchase both the courses, our output is 2, which is both the course. Okay. And see in example 2, there are 11 such courses, and yes, 10 unit of money. Okay. Now there are 11 such courses. Okay, so the cost of first course is 10 unit. Since he has 10 unit money, he'll be able to purchase this course. Successively, there are 10 more courses which cost 1 unit of money each day. Okay, but by the end of the day one, he will be having only 9 rupee from the refund, 9 unit of money from the refund. So he will be able to purchase 9 such courses and will not be able to purchase the last course since he won't get money. He won't have that much money. Also, he will get let's say 10 paisa, but after 9 days only, he will be only having 90 paise, but not 1 rupee. If we are comparing the INR system. Okay, so in that case, he will not be able to purchase this last course. Hence, he will only be able to purchase this course, the first course, and next 9 such courses, except the last one. Hence, okay, hence he will be able to do this thing. Or if he omits the first course, which cost him 10 rupees, he will be able to complete all such courses which cost 1 unit of money. Okay, so either way, he can choose whatever he want to. So I will be solving this question in DP, and my time complexity is going to be order of n square. Let's see how it goes. So first of all, I will initialize a DP with 0, and length of DP will be total plus 1. Total is the amount of money which geek has with himself, with themselves. Okay, so now for all the cost, I will start with the end. I will not begin with the forward. I will start from the end backwards. Okay, so for C in cost, C in reverse cost. Okay, C in reversed cost. Okay. Now again, we will be using the total money for T in range, and we will iterate using this reversed cost only. Starts from total, goes till C minus 1. Still we have till we do not have any money left. Okay, so C is the money. Okay, for all the cost. Now this DP will hold maximum of two values. Either this T, which is, I mean, I will be either able to buy this particular course on this day, okay, or I will be able to T minus what C plus 9. It is saying that okay, I was able to redeem 90% of my amount and I purchase this course. Okay, either I'll be able to purchase the previous course or I will be able to purchase this course using the 90% of money which I refunded last day. And plus one signifies here that I have purchased this course. Okay, I've added this course to my feather. Okay, I've added this course in my cap. Okay, so so at the end, after our DP gets populated entirely, we'll just return the last cell of DP, which is -1. Or you can also use the total, since it is of length total plus 1. You can use total, but I'm using -1. Both will yield the same. So as you can see, despite being order of n square, it is able to get solved in less time with less complexity. So that's the magic of DP. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.